Hello, Nick.
Hi.
Thank you very much for joining us. So can you please explain what is your product exactly?
Well, we have several products, but the main interest in Greece is for the Airtightness tester, which is a small device doing the same work as a blower door would do, measuring the airtightness of houses, apartments, etc. And it doesn't need a ventilator with the unit, but it uses the mechanical ventilation system from the house to pressurize the house. And this is the instrument. It comes in this little suitcase.
It is very simple. It seems to be very simple.
Well, yeah, it's simple in a way, but to understand what it does is more complicated. You have to have a feel for that, how that goes. This little vessel is just a reference vessel in which we store the base pressure. So when the ventilation system is off, the pressure in this vessel is the same as in the house. And the unit is operated using an app. It's connected through Wi-Fi to the app, and you can start a measurement when you're ready to do it.
So you need the duct of the building. You need the duct.
Well, you need the ventilation system of the building. Like here, I'm in front of the ventilation system, and you must be able to turn it on and off.
Okay, so we use the ventilation system to create the pressure difference in the building.
Yes.
Okay.
So you have to prepare the building like you do for a blower door, and you have to close off siphons and ducts and whatever you are allowed to close off, and then you can pressurize the building with the ventilation system.
That's very interesting. So we have a result similar to the blower door.
Absolutely.
System.
So what you do is, so it's now open to the atmosphere, and now you start the measurement, and you will see that the light turns green, and there is a little valve in the system which closes the vessel. And now if I can simulate turning on and off the system by showing you, here is the signal, it's close to 0 Pascal.
Yes.
And if I now put it on the ground,
yes,
the pressure goes like approximately 1 meter of air is about 10 pascals.
Yes.
So you saw it going up 10 pascal. And now if I lift it again, it will go down again. See?
So it is a dynamic equation directly.
Well, it immediately gives you the pressure difference.
Okay.
And now you turn on and off the ventilation system a few times in order to get a proper measurement. And then when you end the measurement, here are your results. Of course, we now don't have good results, but here are all the results. The same air tightness at 10 Pascal, or you can make the air tightness. What is your reference, Pascal? 50?
50 and 50, yeah.
Yeah, so we can make it 50. And it will calculate the liters per second at 50 Pascal.
Great. Very
That's how it
different.
works.
Thank you very much for your time. It's the first time we see something like this.
Yeah, sure.
And thank you for your time. Thank you very much.
Thanks.